In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to mine your own Bitcoin and how to get started with mining Bitcoin. If you're new here, first off, welcome. This is a series where I teach you to go from 0 to 60 in getting started with Bitcoin. And if you're returning here or you've been watching through the playlist, thanks for sticking with me. If you get any value from this video, please do like it. And if you have not yet done so, please consider subscribing. So let's jump right in. So starting off, you want to click the link in the description below and it'll take you to this web page where if you sign up through this referral link, you will get 100 free Satoshis. So we're going to put in our email here. This is the old contact email for my YouTube. So if you want to reach out to me, that's that. Then Honeyminer will download. Once it downloads, you want to click open. Terms and agreements section will pop up. So it's good to read through this and you hit agree. And then once it does that, you drag it over to your applications folder. So then once you've done this, you want to navigate to your applications folder and click on Honeyminer, and you'll get this pop-up that it is an app downloaded from the internet. You just want to open it. And then you'll get this welcome. So here it kind of looks like it wants you to have an account already, but you're actually making an account. So you just want to put in your email. And make a password. And hit get started. And so once you get started, you will have your 1,000 bonus Satoshis, and you just say thank you, and it'll fill up your account. And then it'll walk you through all of these prompts where you can read about Honeyminer. So just going through these really quick, as you mine, your level increases, which is a cool little level up system they have. So once you're done with reading through those little guides, you can just click the on button and Honeyminer will start mining for you. So it's just that simple. Later, once we go through wallets, we'll talk about how to connect a wallet. But if you're just getting started now, it takes a little while to mine some Bitcoin. And there is a fee on the network whenever you want to transfer Bitcoin. So you don't want to transfer it before you've mined that much Bitcoin. So you'll want to give it a little time. And then we will talk about later how to set up a wallet and how to connect your wallet here so that they can send you your Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow if you have not yet done so. This is part of my Getting Started with Bitcoin series on YouTube. So if you are watching it as a standalone, consider checking out the rest of the videos so that you know how to go from 0 to 60 in Bitcoin with no prior experience required.